You want to invite other teachers to your Google Classroom? I will show you step by step how you can do that. You can invite other teachers to join your class. In Google Classroom, they are called co-teachers. To do that, you need to go to People. You see a section for teachers and a section for students. I have created this classroom, so you can see me here already. I am the primary teacher for this classroom. A co-teacher can do most things that I can, but they cannot delete a class, remove the primary teacher, or mute another teacher. To add a co-teacher, you click on this icon with a plus sign. It says Invite Teachers. Now you just have to add their email address, and then you can invite them. A heads up, sometimes your class membership settings might only allow teachers from your own school or organization to join classes. If you want to add a teacher from another school or organization, reach out to your Google admin to update the settings. Another heads up, depending on your account, you might have a limit on how many teachers a class can have. For G Suite of Education and Personal Account, that limit currently is a maximum of 20 teachers total. I hope you enjoyed this demo. If you want to learn more about how to create a Google Classroom, you can subscribe to my channel or check out my other tutorials.